Hello and welcome to a new YouTube video on my YouTube channel, and today I want to show you Kaskade Finance. Kaskade Finance is solving the liquidity cold start problem on the Ethereum blockchain. So it's revolutionizing incentives for DeFi. Liquidity is one of the most important things in the DeFi space, and DeFi would probably need to turn to centralized market makers, which would undoubtedly take away from the industry's core ethos of decentralization. So what is Kaskade doing? Kaskade provides incentives for trading. So in this case, for example, right now, currently, there's a campaign live, which is the Liquidity Protocol campaign, and you can trade LUSD to USDC on Kaskade for the chance to win up to $30,000 in LUSD rewards from the incentive pool. So what they are doing is providing incentives, which you can see here at all campaigns, for the special pool, and through this there's much more volume traded because the people want to gain the rewards, and through this there will be much more fees generated, and the liquidity providers will provide more liquidity because they earn more through the fees, which is a profit for everyone. The liquidity raises, the liquidity pool providers earn fees, the traders earn the incentive program, and the trading pairs liquid. So it's a great thing and a great idea to do this. Also, if you are a trader which is trading a lot, Kaskade knows about the gas fees and helps large traders with gas fee rebates, so discounts on the gas fees. This is also something very good and very kind. So what we can see is that the week 5, for example, on the Liquidity Protocol campaign was very amazing. So in total they had already $7.1 million in volume generated and 43 total traders, which is a great progress in total and shows that it's working. Also, Kaskade successfully raised money in the pre-seed round with participation from, for example, Hercules Ventures, Artemis Capital, Marshland, and also influencers like Virtual Bacon, Cryptojack, and many more. So also big venture capitals are interested in this project. So basically what you can do on the website, which is also in the video description, I will put the link tree in the video description, where you can also find their Discord and their X to join and get some knowledge about the people which are into this project. So you basically need to swap LUSD for USDC, or change it and swap USDC for LUSD however you want to. For example, we have 10,000 of LUSD, we connected our wallet, and we want to swap them to USDC for whatever reason. Then you will earn 9,948 points, which is an estimated value of $39. Currently we are tier 1, so you can increase your tier by trading more volume as on a campaign's nominated pools, like this one. But in tier 1, it's a 1x multiplier, so we are earning $40 on points estimated value, which is an awesome thing for just swapping our tokens like we usually also would do if this incentives program won't be there. And the more volume you generate, the more points you get. So we can have a look on the campaigns how it looks like. It's split in 3 weeks. Week 1, 10,000, week 2, 10,000, week 3, $10,000. And the current epoch just started yesterday and ends on the 1st of May. So you have 6 more days to trade here, but don't worry, I'm sure that there will be more campaigns for other tokens in the future, so just follow them on X so you don't miss any announcements. This is how the campaign page is looking like. Here you can see your points, the share of your points, the points multipliers. So for example, if you trade more than $10,000, in example, you will receive another tier, and the value of your points with the rebate yield. So currently it's 23.41% AP. Here's the campaign details. It's 44 participants in total and $7,800,000 in volume, which is great for just an incentives pool of $30,000. This is awesome and really huge. And as you can see, in all, there isn't a lot of people trading here. So for example, if you just traded a volume of, let's say, 67,000, which is like 10 trades with $6,500 volume, which isn't really a lot because you just can swap and swap and swap and swap and swap if you want to. You are placed 29 with points of $73,000. So I think this is already really a huge amount of points and rewards in the next few days once you can claim it, which will be available in the claim rewards section. You need to keep in mind that this is on the Ethereum blockchain, so there's also a gas fee. For example, I think here approximately it should be $11. So you need to keep that in mind, which is why it's worth it to trade like with higher amounts, because then you get an estimated value of points for $400 nearly and pay just $11 gas fees, which is much lower than if you would receive $40 in estimated value with $11 gas fees, if you know what I mean. So that's basically how it looks like and how everything works on Kaskade. I know currently it's not that much, but it's something which is solving the problems on the liquidity on small projects with a very smart idea with the incentivation layer. And in their Medium articles, they also have an article which is liquidity is fracturated, where you can also find out more about DeFi, what it is, and why exactly liquidity is so important. Also, there's an article about the gas fee rebates. So their goal is basically to make it rewarding for users without compromising the platform's integrity. So all active participants will benefit from these incentives, enjoying the benefits of reduced trading expenses. In my opinion, Kaskade will be a very good project in the future, and I think that it will be worth it to join here. So if you want to have a look in, just check out the link in the video description. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the small video. Today's a small video because it's simply what it is. I can't tell you even more about it because it's a small, nice project with a very good idea in my opinion. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.